Hello everyone, my name is Funny. Welcome to Reflections IS. So, we've launched a program called Success 2024 targeting for the Prelims 2024 this time. So, basically the program involves having 85 questions a day which are in form of a test, and 15 questions will be discussed by the mentor, and these daily mentor calls, this rigorous test schedule including the micro scheduling aspect will ensure not just discipline but also accountability and a lot of strength to your preparation. So here are the deliverables from the program here. First is personalized mentoring. So with daily personalized mentor calls, we can ensure that your preparation is very smooth and is completely tailor-made for you, and we can solve the specific problems which you face with respect to your preparation here. The next thing is 12,500 MCQs. Solving 85 MCQs every day and 15 questions with the mentor will make 100 questions a day, and that will be 125 days. So over a course of time, solving 100 questions every day, that will make 12,500 questions. So you'll cover more than 13 to 14,000 topics, because we can have multiple interlinkages with those kind of MCQs. You can revise through reverse engineering. This is really important because revision is often very tedious and it's not the way we want it to be. So revising via MCQs is more effective way, and you can revise your standard books after solving the MCQ. Even if you make it wrong or even if you make it right, you can revise the specific topic and the interlinked topics like that. So this will make your journey very interesting and you can easily clear prelims with these. These daily mentor sessions will help you in developing the MCQ aptitude for your prelims exam, because you have to take risks in some kind of questions and you have to take calculated risks and calculated guess in some kind of other questions. This MCQ aptitude has to be designed specifically for you. So only a mentor can analyze your aptitude and analyze your background, etc., and can help you develop this MCQ aptitude so that in prelims 2024 you can just have a walk in the park. And with topic-wise MCQs, PYQ analysis, and our accountability monitoring mechanism, this will be a sure shot way to clear prelims 2024. Thank you.